Here I have Toshiba A10-A, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. You can't even unlock your device now. What can you do in this kind of situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In this kind of menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select this option with this box and arrow coming out from it. So in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select an option wipe data factory reset, then select yes, delete all user data. And after you see the message data wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or two. So here we can see the message, reboot system now, and we wait for a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.